Welcome to this video on the legacy of the Italian lira, a currency with a deep history. The lira's origins trace back to the 8th century Carolingian system's libra, a unit of weight. This system also led to the French franc and the English pound. The Napoleonic Kingdom officially introduced the lira in 1807, giving it the same value as the French franc. In 1861, as Italy unified, the Italian lira replaced various regional monies, such as the scudo and fiorino, to establish a single national currency. Early kingdom coins contained up to 90% pure gold and silver, giving them considerable global purchasing power. The economy shifted due to the two world wars. The government began replacing precious metals with cheaper materials like nickel, aluminum bronze, and stainless steel. The new Italian Republic introduced lightweight aluminum coins. These coins featured symbols of labor and agriculture, such as the weighing scale, bee, rudder, and plow. A notable innovation was the 500 lira coin, Italy's first circulating bimetallic coin, minted in 1982. It also included industry-first Braille text for the visually impaired. High inflation required the Bank of Italy to print large denomination banknotes, which often featured famous Italian artists. The various eras of the lira reflect Italian history, from the Napoleonic period with gold and silver to the Republic's lighter bimetallic coins due to heavy inflation. During a severe coin shortage in the 1970s, banks printed small checks called mini-assegni to serve as replacement change. Both Vatican City and San Marino minted their own lire, which were minted in Rome and held the same value as the Italian lira. In the 1980s, a plan known as the hard lira was considered to remove 3 zeros from the currency, but the upcoming adoption of the euro canceled this plan. The lira ceased to be legal tender on February 28, 2002, replaced by the euro at a fixed conversion rate of €1 to 1,936.27 lire. The Italian lira connects modern collectors to centuries of European history and remains a masterpiece of numismatic art.